Many people believe saving money is only possible if you earn a high income. They think saving money is a luxury reserved for those with big paychecks, large businesses, or high-paying careers. But here's the truth. Saving money is not about how much you earn. It's about how well you manage what you already have. Even people with small incomes can build strong savings habits, while others with large salaries still struggle to save a single dollar. Welcome to Money Magnet. In this video, you will discover 10 modern ways to save money fast, even if you earn less, using simple systems that make saving easier, smarter, and more consistent. This video is created especially for people who earn small incomes or minimum wages, and who are not heavily burdened with large debts. If you are currently overwhelmed with debt, we strongly suggest watching our video about modern ways to pay off debt first, before focusing on saving money. Also, make sure to watch this video until the very end, and stay tuned for tip number 10, because that is the personal method I use to save small amounts of money consistently. Let's begin. Number 1. Use the digital envelope method. One of the most effective modern saving systems is the digital version of the envelope method. Instead of using physical envelopes, you divide your money into digital categories. For example, bills, food, transportation, savings, emergency fund. When your money is separated into categories, it becomes harder to overspend. You always know exactly how much you can safely spend without touching your savings. This simple system gives your money direction, and money without direction often disappears faster than expected. Number 2. Turn on automatic savings. Saving money becomes easier when you remove the need to think about it. This is where automatic saving systems become powerful. Instead of saving what is left at the end of the month, you save first, automatically. You can set a small percentage of your income to move into savings the moment your salary arrives. Even saving just 5 to 10% of your income can make a huge difference over time. It may feel small in the beginning, but consistency turns small amounts into meaningful results. Automation transforms saving into a habit without requiring constant effort. Number 3. Follow a simple budget rule. One of the most widely used budgeting systems is the 50-30-20 rule. This means 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings. But if your income is tight, you can adjust this to 70% for needs, 20% for wants, 10% for savings. The goal is not perfection. The goal is awareness. When you give every dollar a purpose, your money becomes easier to control, and controlled money is easier to grow. Number 4. Track every expense. Most people lose money not because they earn too little, but because they do not know where their money goes. Tracking your expenses is like turning on the lights inside a dark room. Suddenly, you see everything clearly. Small purchases may seem harmless, but when repeated daily, they quietly drain your income. When you track every expense, patterns become visible. And once you see the pattern, you gain the power to change it. Number 5. Create no-spend days. A powerful modern saving habit is scheduling no-spend days. These are days when you avoid spending money unless it is absolutely necessary. For example, you can choose 2 days each week where you commit to spending nothing. No snacks, no online shopping, no unnecessary purchases. This simple challenge trains discipline. It also reduces impulse spending, which is one of the biggest enemies of saving money. Even just 2 no-spend days per week can lead to noticeable savings over time. Number 6. Practice micro-savings. Saving money does not always require large amounts. Sometimes, the smallest amounts create the biggest change. Micro-savings involve saving very small amounts regularly. For example, you can save spare change. You can round up your purchases. You can set aside a small fixed amount daily. Saving $1 per day may not feel impressive, but over time, it becomes powerful. Consistency transforms small efforts into meaningful results. Number 7. Create small side income streams. Saving money becomes faster when you increase the amount of money flowing into your life. Even small side income streams can support your savings journey. You can sell digital products. You can offer simple services. You can create small online assets. Extra income does not need to be large. Even small additional earnings can strengthen your financial foundation. When income grows, saving becomes easier, and easier saving leads to faster progress. Number 8. Use cashback and rewards wisely. Modern technology has created new ways to save money while spending. Cashback and reward systems return a small percentage of your spending back to you. While cashback alone will not make you wealthy, it helps reduce your total spending. However, this method only works if you spend responsibly. Never spend more just to earn rewards. Use cashback as a bonus, not an excuse to overspend. Number 9. Avoid lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest threats to saving money is lifestyle inflation. This happens when your income increases and your spending increases just as fast. Instead of upgrading everything immediately, maintain your current lifestyle when possible. If your income rises, increase your savings before increasing your spending. A powerful rule to follow is save at least half of every income increase. This habit builds wealth quietly and steadily over time. Number 10. Set clear and specific savings goals. The personal method I use. Now, this is the personal method that I use to save small amounts of money consistently, even when income feels limited. Instead of saving randomly, I always give my savings a clear destination. I do not just say, I want to save money. Instead, I tell myself something like, I will save $500 in the next 3 months, or I will save $1,000 before the end of this year. When I set a clear and specific goal, saving money starts to feel more meaningful. It no longer feels like giving something up. It feels like building something step by step. Personally, I also like to break my savings goal into smaller targets. For example, if my goal is $500 in 5 months, I divide that into monthly targets. That means $100 per month becomes the mission. And when I reach each small milestone, it gives me motivation to continue. I also write my savings goal somewhere visible, so I am constantly reminded of what I am working toward. This simple method keeps me focused even when saving feels difficult. If you apply this consistently, even small amounts of money can turn into meaningful savings over time. Because when your goal is clear, your actions become stronger. Here's a quick review of the 10 modern ways to save money fast, even if you earn less. Number 1. Digital envelope method. Number 2. Automatic savings. Number 3. Simple budget rule. Number 4. Track every expense. Number 5. No spend days. Number 6. Micro savings. Number 7. Small side income streams. Number 8. Cashback and rewards. Number 9. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Number 10. Clear and specific savings goals. Saving money is not about sudden success. It is about steady progress, one small step at a time. Saving money does not require a perfect situation. It only requires a decision, followed by consistent action. No matter how small your income may be today, the habits you build now will shape your financial future. Start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. Thank you for watching Money Magnet. We truly appreciate your time and your support. We hope that starting today, you take the first step towards saving money and begin building your savings, one small amount at a time.